a verb, infinitive, a verb that's infinitive, so to pass. Okay? If we want to change it to present progressive, all we have to do in English is add an ing. Okay? ing. Passing. Okay? And that's present progressive. In Spanish, there's two forms of ing, okay? For different types of verb endings. We have AR verbs, and we have ER verbs and IR verbs. And these have different present progressive endings. So for this one, AR, it is ANDO, ando. ER and IR is IENDO, yendo. Okay? So we have an infinitive verb, pasar, in Spanish. If I want to change it to present progressive, I take away this AR and I put ANDO, pasando. Okay? But you have to be careful because it doesn't always translate very well. Okay? So, for example, how are you doing? In English, we use a lot more of the progressive, present progressive than you do in Spanish. How are you doing? It doesn't translate very well. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Verdad? How are you doing? It doesn't really work. It doesn't translate right. So, how are you doing would be better to say, ¿Cómo estás? Right?
Okay. One more example. If I'm going to say what I'm doing right now, I will say, I am teaching. Okay? With ing. So, how is that for Spanish? Yo. This could be soy or estoy. Okay? But we already talked about the verb to be. In Spanish, ser o estar. So, yo estoy. What is teach in Spanish?
Enseñar.
Enseñar. Very well. So, enseñar, but this part, ing, like my friend just said, is ando. So, enseñando. Okay, so I'm teaching.